In this video, I'm going to show you how you could look at the Valorant shop on your phone in 2025. So basically, if you're on iPhone, it's this app called Val Paul. This right here, download this on your phone, open it. Once you open it, go to your settings, and it's gonna say login right here. You're gonna want to log in. For me, it says add account since I already added my account. But you're gonna want to log in. Select your platform. I play on PC. And yeah, once you do that, go to live right here. As you can see, priority contrast loadout shop. Go to shop. As you see, this is the shop I have in game, and I can see it on my phone. And you could even click on it. You could look at the different styles, and stuff like that. You can even look at the accessories you have. The bundle, it says unknown bundle for some reason. I don't know why it's doing that. Maybe it's just a glitch. But yeah, you can even look at your loadout and stuff. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.